Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of information, struggling to find the most important pieces? You are not alone. In this digital age, we are constantly bombarded with information from every corner: social media, news outlets, academic articles, and so much more. It's like trying to sip from a fire hose. The sheer volume can be overwhelming, causing confusion and stress, and making it hard to discern what's truly important. This is the dilemma of information overload. But here's the thing: it's not about how much information you can consume, it's about how effectively you can gather and prioritize it. The key lies in being selective, in filtering out the noise to focus on the signal. So how does one navigate through this sea of information to find the most crucial pieces? Let's dive in. Information gathering isn't just about collecting data, it's about collecting the right data. Picture this: you're at a bustling marketplace, surrounded by countless stalls and street vendors. Each one is clamoring for your attention, offering a dizzying array of products. How do you decide what to buy? By having a clear objective. It's the same with information gathering. Knowing what you need is the first step. Now, knowing where to look is equally essential. Just like you wouldn't go to a bakery for fresh seafood, you wouldn't scour social media for scholarly articles. Each source has its own specialty, and understanding this is key to efficient information gathering. Finally, remember that the value of information lies in its relevance. The world's most delicious apple is useless to you if you're craving an orange. Stay focused on your objectives and don't let irrelevant data distract you. But gathering information is only half the battle. Next, we must learn to prioritize. Prioritizing information, that's where the real magic happens. Now, you might think that gathering data is the tough part, but here's the secret: it's what you do with that information that really counts. You see, when we talk about information prioritization, we're talking about sifting through the noise, focusing on what's truly relevant. It's like finding the needle in the proverbial haystack, the diamond in the rough. This process is vital because it helps us make effective, informed decisions. Without prioritization, we risk being overwhelmed by data, leading to paralysis by analysis. But when we prioritize, we streamline our focus, we identify the most important pieces of the puzzle. So how does this work in real life? Imagine you're a project manager with countless tasks on your plate. Knowing how to prioritize information can help decide which tasks need your immediate attention. Knowing how to prioritize information is a game changer, but how can we put this into practice? Practicality is key. Let's talk about how to put these concepts into action. First, start with a clear goal. Knowing what you're looking for shapes your information gathering process. It's like going to the supermarket with a shopping list. Next, diversify your sources. The best insights often come from the intersection of different perspectives. Think of it as a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece adds to the overall picture. Third, prioritize. Not all information is created equal. Ask yourself, does this piece of information directly contribute to my goal? If not, it might be a distraction. Fourth, organize. Use tools like spreadsheets, note-taking apps, or mind maps to keep track of your findings. It's like having a personal library at your fingertips. Finally, review and reflect. Information is only as useful as your understanding of it. Take time to digest and make connections between different pieces of information. Implementing these steps can transform your information management skills, boosting your efficiency and decision-making abilities. So what's in it for you? Let's talk benefits and next steps. Harnessing the power of effective information management can revolutionize your professional life. Let's imagine a more productive you making well-informed decisions swiftly. You're no longer drowning in a sea of information, but surfing on top of it. You've become a master of prioritization, identifying and focusing on what truly matters. The stress of managing overwhelming data, a thing of the past. Now, these aren't just lofty dreams, they're achievable realities, and you hold the key. Start by applying the insights we've shared throughout this guide. Remember, it's a gradual process, don't rush it. Every step, no matter how small, is progress. Engage with the community, share your experiences, ask questions, learn from others. This journey is not solitary, and synergy often accelerates growth. Remember, the path to effective information management starts with you. Start today and see the transformation unfold.